If you have a Shopify store and are confused on how to apply different reward types at each discount tier on Shopify, this video is for you. So let's take an example on what we are going to cover in this video. For example, if you have a tier of if the customer spends $75, they get $10 off, and if they spend, let's say, $150, they get 15% off, or you could decide an amount, whatever that works. And there is another offer which gives the users a free item when they spend $250, let's say. So now what we have done is we have two different types of offers. One of them has tiers, tier 1 and tier 2. The other one is just an independent offer. And how to combine these offers, if you have worked with Shopify, you know that this is a challenge, but what we will do here is a very simple execution of two campaigns, and you can see how cleanly you can apply it. What we are going to do is, once the campaigns are created, we'll create a cart with these items, and as you can see, the total is $282. When you get the 15%, you get this much discount, and when you also have more than $250, you get this item as free, and your final total is this much, which includes the discount and the free item. So let's put it to practice. Let's go to our Stackable app. This is an app that you can download from Shopify store. Once you have that app, you can go to the campaigns, and I usually try to turn it off. You can see here there are 0 live campaigns, 0 automatic discounts. So there are no campaigns running. You can also go to the schedule tab, and you can see there are no campaigns running. This basically gives you a calendar view also of any discounts that are running right now. Right now there is nothing running. So let's go to the campaigns. Let's create our first campaign, and this is a spend goal. So we'll say spend more, get more, and then let's say we give $75 and you get $10 off. Let's change that to amount. This one we say $150 and you get 15% off. The other thing that you need to notice, this is an automatic discount, so they don't need a discount code. Because this order is a spend goal, it applies to the entire order and not a particular product. It applies to everyone. Let's keep it like that. It is open the moment you publish it, it'll get scheduled. One thing to note is stacking. In this case, because we want the offer out here, spend goal, to also have stacked with the free gift, we need to make sure that it has stacking turned on. Let's turn this on. Let's publish. Let's create our campaign number 2. And this is a free item. So let's say spend $250, get free gift. And let's say $250. Let's choose the product, and the product we are going to choose is eyeshadow. So let's go here. Let's say choose the product eyeshadow. There is only one, and 100 are available. So there is one cool feature in Stackable is, if this item as a gift is gone, you can add a backup item. Right now we have 100, so it should be okay. And you can also give one gift per order or multiple gifts per order. It's completely configurable, and it also applies to all the products. Let's keep it like that. One other thing is, it should combine with the order discount, because your $150 giving 15% is at an order level. So now when you have this, both of your orders are stackable. Now we have this, both of your offers are stackable. As you can see, stacking is turned on, always on, free gift and spend goal. And if you go to schedule, now you will see both of these offers showing up starting from today. Now let's go to the tools to make sure that this cart works, and let's simulate it. So let's go here. Let's add this item to the cart. As you can see, the first item got added for $140. Let's add the second item. Address, that's $78, still $218. Then let's add the third product, a cardigan. Now the total is $282. Let's run our rule set, and this should apply both the campaigns. You see, this item got automatic for free, as well as you got a 15% discount because of the $150 limit. So now the user got it for $239.70, and total savings is $80. And you can clearly see what happened. This one got $38 subtracted, and this one got $42 subtracted. That is a simulator. Let's go and see how it works on the actual store. Let's go and add the first item. Let's say size 8. Let's look at the cart. It is $140. It says $10 away from 15%, and you're also saving $10 of your order because $75 limit was already cleared. Let's go to the next product. And there's this dress. Let's go to the small. Let's add one more. Now you cleared 150, which means you're saving $32. You're $32 away from your shades, but you are saving $32 on your order already because of that 15% off. Let's add the third item. And now you can see a fourth item automatically got added because you spend $250, you get free gift, and this was the free gift that got added. Plus you get an order discount of $42.30. So you unlock this and you'd see this, and you can see a small gift icon also shows up which says that you have a free gift added to your cart. And if you check out, you will still see the same amount of $239. Yes, so it is very easy if you use Stackable to have orders like these. And if you actually want to see more of such examples on what can be done on Stackable, there are plenty of examples that you can do with Shopify and Stackable together. And each of them have a walkthrough video as well as complete example that you can replicate on your store as is. And if you have a request for any more, we are more than happy to do a video for you so that it is extremely easy for you to use Stackable.